Hi, boys and girls! If you clicked on this video, then you got the book Mash the Potatoes. And this book is about mashing some potatoes and a lot of other things you have to do to get ready to make all the yummy food you eat on Thanksgiving. So, this book was written by Karen Mockler and illustrated by Shirley Ing Benitez. I want you to look at whoever's with you, mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, aunt, uncle, big sister, big brother, and tell them what that illustrator does. The author writes the words, but the illustrator does what? Draws the pictures. That's right. Great job, guys. Okay, we're going to look through this book a little bit, and we're going to look through this book and see what's going on, because tell mom and dad, sometimes we have to look at our pictures to figure out what words say, and it really helps if before you read the book, you look through the whole book and kind of have a good idea what's going on here. Okay, this is definitely a picture of him and dad. I mean, look, their nose is the exact same. It's got to be his dad. That's what I think. We'll have to read to find out. Mash the potatoes. Okay, I was right. This is dad. If you see this word right here, add, it says dad. So this is his dad. And this is a big old cooked bird right here. What kind of bird is that? I hope you guys said turkey. It's not chicken. It looks a little bit like chicken, and you guys probably wish it was chicken because y'all love some chicken in this class. And I love chicken too, so I like it a lot more than turkey. Don't tell. But this is turkey. So dad is with the turkey right now. Okay, we got mom, and mom has a slice of something. What is that? I know we had a friend in our class who was so excited to bake a pumpkin pie. It looks like pumpkin pie to me. Okay, now this page is a little bit different. So this isn't dad or mom, and he doesn't have a name in this book. It just says I. So right here, we've kind of talked about that word I. It means you're talking about yourself. He is making mashed potatoes. Ooh, what does it look like he's doing? He's taking potatoes out of the bag. We're going to look at this word real quick right here, guys. This word, C-O-U-N-T, says count. Count out. So he's counting the potatoes. Maybe he needs a specific number for a recipe. Now we have dad, and dad, you guys know what it's called when you take the skin off the potatoes? It's called peeling the potatoes. Ooh, this water is hot and it's bubbling. When it gets to the point where it gets so hot that it bubbles, it's called boiling. And you guys know, don't touch that boiling hot pot. They're a little bit too close for my taste, too. Okay, now it looks like they're smush, smush, smush. They're mashing the potatoes to make mashed potatoes. He looks like he's working really hard too. Look at his tongue. He's working really hard. Okay, and now they're sitting down together and they're eating. That's awesome. Okay, friends, so we finished up looking through our book, and I gave you a lot of extra tips on some words. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to do your best to try and read this book, and then you can come back and you can listen to Miss Spin read the book, and you can read along with her, okay? Because I want you to try your best, try your very best, and then if you feel like, Miss Spin didn't tell me about this word, you can come back and listen to me while I read too. Or you can listen to me read and you can follow right along, and then you can try and read by yourself the next time. Okay, guys, you're going to do awesome. So if you want to pause and read without me, go ahead. And if you want to keep listening, you don't have to pause right now. So this is Mash the Potatoes. Dad loves the turkey. Mom loves the pie. I love the potatoes. I count out the potatoes. Dad peels the potatoes in the sink. We boil the potatoes to make them soft. We mash the potatoes. We eat the mashed potatoes. We eat the mashed potatoes. I had to pause to sneeze. I'm not sure if I read that or if I did yet. So if you listen to it twice, I apologize. And that is it. Okay, guys, you did a great job. I want you to tell me, what are the steps in making mashed potatoes? Because our friend in this book loves mashed potatoes. So let's go through and let's think of the steps to make mashed potatoes. We'll say them on our fingers. So this first step is to, what happens on this page? He says 1, 2, 3. He counts out the potatoes. Next, what do? You need an adult to help you because you need to use something sharp. You count. We already counted the potatoes. Teacher brain. You peel the potatoes. So first, you count the potatoes. Then you peel the potatoes. Then, number 3, you count, peel, then you boil the potatoes. You're going to need a parent to help you with this one too. You peel them. My family cuts them into fourths or halves, and then you put them in the water, and they boil and boil and boil and get really soft. Then you mash the potatoes. Okay, so first, count the potatoes. Second, peel the potatoes. Third, boil the potatoes. Fourth, mash the potatoes. And don't forget, look, they got some butter right there. You cannot forget your butter. You cannot forget your milk. And Miss Ben's going to add some salt to that too. Make them delicious. And then, finally, a part you can really, really enjoy, you eat the potatoes. So let's talk about how we make mashed potatoes again. We're going to start at the beginning. First, you count out your potatoes. Do you need 8? Do you need 25? How many people are we feeding for Thanksgiving? Count out your potatoes. Second, you peel your potatoes. You need Mom to help you with this. It can be a little bit dangerous. So, count, peel the potatoes, then you boil the potatoes, then you mash the potatoes, then you eat the potatoes, the best part. Okay, guys, I hope you are having a great time at home with your families. Please enjoy some mashed potatoes for me because you know I'm missing out. And enjoy your time at home for Thanksgiving. I love you guys. Bye.